Hey boys and girls, my name is Mac Comer. I'm Knoxville's Dean of Fun, and today I'm going to read with you a book titled Fun for Us by Madeline Bosque. Now, when I'm reading, you're going to see me using this little arrow to point to the words, and that's so that you can read along. After I'm done reading a sentence, I'll also put the cursor back at the beginning of the sentence and let you read it by yourself. Here we go. Let's try it out on the front cover page. Fun for Us. Your turn. By Madeline Bosque. Good. I think you've got the hang of this. Let's go ahead and read this book. Now, before I read this, there are some vocabulary words that we need to know. The first one is I, the second one is am. There's a total of 57 words in this book. Fun for Us by Madeline Bosque. Your turn. I am Meg. I can sit with Rick. I am Meg. I can mix with Max. I am Meg. I can jump with Zach. I am Meg. I can tap with Rex. Good. I am Meg. I can spin with Nick. I am Meg. I can cut with Jack. Last page. I am Meg. I can nap on the mat. Good, boys and girls. So we just completed reading this book. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually go back to the beginning of the book and we're going to talk about action words, okay? Action words are called verbs. Can you say verb? So when we're talking about more than one verb, we would say verbs. We had that s at the end of it. Can you say verbs? Nice. So we're going to go back to the beginning. We're going to read Fun for Us. We're going to look at each page. We're going to reread it, and you are going to find the action word. An action word could be like run, jump, skip, punch, kick, duck. Oh, spin. Oh, that didn't really spin very well. Spin. Like that, maybe? So anyways, let's go ahead and check it out. Page 2, I am Meg. I can sit with Rick. Can you find the action word on this page? If you said sit, then you are correct. Sit is something that you can do. When you look at the picture, you see Meg and Rick, and they're both sitting. Page 3. I am Meg. I can mix with Max. Can you find the action word or verb on this page? If you said mix, then you are correct. When you look at the picture, the boy and the girl are both mixing. I wonder what they're making. I am Meg. I can jump with Zach. What is the action word on this page? Well, if you said jump, you are correct. Meg and Zach are both jumping on this picture. It looks like they are jump roping. They're using a jump rope. I am Meg. I can tap with Rex. Can you find the verb on this page? If you said tap, then you are absolutely correct. They are both tapping on what looks like blocks. Look at how much fun they're having. Page 6. I am Meg. I can spin with Nick. What's the action word or verb on this page? Did you say spin? Spin is right here. That would be correct. Spin is the verb or action word on this page. You can spin the tops. That's what those are called, tops. I am Meg. I can cut with Jack. Can you find the action word or verb on this page? Did you say cut? Then you are correct. Cut. If you look in the picture, you can see that they are cutting, Meg and Jack are cutting what appears to be paper. I am Meg. I can nap on the mat. What's the verb in this page? Well, on this page, the verb is nap, which sounds good right now. Sounds like I could probably use a nap. I think I want to take one right now. So I hope you guys had as much fun reading with me as I had reading with you. Until next time, my name is Matt Comer, Knoxville's Dean of Fun. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.